The question says carbon tetrachloride has no net dipole moment because of. Okay, carbon tetrachloride is given there. Has zero dipole moment. Means it is non-polar by nature. What is the reason behind it? Okay. If the molecules are given there, we can find the geometry. And keep in mind, if the molecule in which the central element is having regular geometry determined by hybridization. If regular geometry is there, that molecule will have a zero dipole moment, and in that case it will be non-polar by nature. Okay. And if the central element is having lone pair, then geometry will not be regular. It will be distorted geometry because of the repulsion. Lone pair repulsion, lone pair, bond pair repulsion, bond pair repulsion. Okay. First of all, we find out the geometry. Carbon tetrachloride, chemical formula of carbon tetrachloride, we have CCl4 is there. Okay. In this case, all the substituent groups are same. Okay. Find out the number of sigma bond. So in this case, carbon always forms how many bond? 4 bond, and each halogen will form single bond. Total number of sigma bond will be 4, and if 4 sigma bond is there, keep in mind in this case carbon does not carry any lone pair. Okay, 4 sigma bond are there. If 4 sigma bond are there, hybridization will be sp3, and geometry will be what? Regular geometry. This is what? Tetrahedral. Regular geometry, tetrahedral is there, and all the substituent groups are there. If the regular geometry is there, in this case dipole moment will be 0. It is non-polar by nature. I can say it is non-polar by nature. Why? Because dipole moment is 0. Keep in mind, if these substituent groups are different, despite the fact it is having regular geometry, dipole moment will not be 0. For example, let's say if I am talking about CH2, it is Cl2 is there, or I can mention CH and it is Cl3 there. Dipole moment will not be 0 because all the substituent groups are not same. You should be careful. Okay. So like giving the statement, a molecule in which central element is having regular geometry determined by the hybridization is always having zero dipole moment, it is not correct. If the substituent groups are different, the situation will be different. Okay. Then first, it's a planar structure. Planar structure is possible when it is sp2 hybridized, trigonal planar we can say. It is sp3 hybridized. Okay. Statement A is incorrect. If we talk about its regular tetrahedral, regular geometry, the regular tetrahedral structure, of course it is having regular tetrahedral. You can say option B is correct. Okay. Similar sizes of carbon and chlorine size does not matter in case of okay, dipole moment. We talk about electron activity, that is different thing. Similar electron affinities of carbon, no, it does not matter at all. Okay. Regular geometry. When we determine the dipole moment, geometry, electron activity, lone pair, bond angle, these are the factors we should use to determine the dipole moment. Okay, option B is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.